Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, like my video and share my video.
Hello friends, today I will explain about how to create TDS tax on rent of plant and machinery and rent of building or furniture or land. Regarding this today we will discuss. Okay, rent of plant and machinery tax rate is 2% and rent of building or furniture or land tax rate is 10%. But in TDS nature of payment both are same, nothing difference. Okay, so go for the notes. This is chart of TDS tax rate. So first one, rent of plant and machinery. Section 194I, threshold amount 2,40,000, TDS rate is 2%. Second one, rent of building or furniture or land, same section, same threshold amount, TDS rate is 10%. Okay. So next, creation of TDS nature of payment. Friends, in earlier version, by default, it is in Tally. But nowadays, in Tally Prime, we need to create TDS nature of payment. Just like that, creation of ledger account. Okay? Okay. So go to the Tally. Friends, I have already created one company. Now we enable TDS statutory matters. Okay? Press F11 button. Press enter. Select, come to the taxation and select enable tax deducted at source TDS. Set to yes. TAN registration number. TAN means tax assessment number. This is 12 digit. Type 12 digit. Tax deduction and collection account number 4 alpha 5 numeric digit 1 alpha. Deductor type select company. Deductor branch or division Jayanagar 4 block. Set alter details of person responsible. Set to yes. So you need to fill necessary information. Type the name. Son or daughter of. T.K. Durge Gowda. Designation CEO. PAN ASDFG 8401K. This is address. STD code 080. Enter. Ignore IT exemption limit for TDS deduction. No. Activate TDS for stock items. No. Accept. So now create the necessary ledger account for calculation of TDS tax on rent of plant and machinery, rent of building or furniture or land. Okay, so go for the notes. So first create the TDS nature of payment. So rent of plant and machinery. So go to the gateway of Tally. We are already enable TDS statutory features. Okay. Select create. So come down. Select statutory. Go to statutory master. Select TDS nature of payment. So create. Rent of plant and machinery. Section 194I, payment code 194I, remittance code, leave it. So rate of individual HUF with PAN 2%. So this is 2%. So check it here. So rent of plant and machinery 2%. 2%. Rate for other deductive type with PAN 2%. That is also a 2%. Threshold limit 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Accept. So one more TDS nature of payment, that is rent of building or furniture or land. So rent of building or furniture or land. 194I remittance code, payment code, leave it remittance code. Rate for individual HUF with PAN 10%. So other also 10%. Threshold amount 2,40,000. So both are 2,40,000, but percentage is different. Okay. So now we finished TDS nature of payment. Now come to the TDS ledgers. So this is the transaction. Paid rent on plant and machinery rupees 5 lakh to Mindlands India Private Limited, invoice number 64851. So create rent on plant. Okay, I listed in last thumbnail. See here, create this one by one. Rent on plant and machinery, rent on building, rent on furniture, rent on land. These are all comes under indirect expenses. These are all expenses ledger. Escape. Go to create, select ledger, create one by one. Rent on plant and machinery. Plant and machinery under indirect expenses. Okay friends, now you observe here, is TDS applicable? Press space bar, select applicable. So nature of payment, select rent of plant and machinery. You have to say this category is rent of plant and machinery. Select that one. That is called nature of payment. Accept. So next one, rent on building. Rent on building. Under indirect expenses, is TDS applicable? Applicable. Nature of payment, select rent of building or furniture or land. This is different one. Not rent of plant and machinery. This kind of expenses belongs to rent of building or furniture or land, nature of TDS nature of payment. Select that one. Accept. So rent on furniture. Rent on furniture. Indirect expenses, is TDS applicable? Applicable. Nature of payment, same, rent of building or furniture or land. So next one, rent on land. Rent on land under indirect expenses. Applicable. Select TDS rent of building or furniture or land. Accept. So expenses ledger is over. Alter ledger. Rent on building, rent on furniture, rent on. Okay. So I thought I made some mistake. So nothing mistake. Right. Create ledger. Okay. Next, create the party ledger. First one, Mindlands India Private Limited, party ledger. Under all parties comes under sundry creditors. Is TDS deductible? Yes. Deducted type company resident. Select company resident in the list of deducted type. Deduct TDS in same voucher. Yes. So earlier I shown in deduct TDS in other voucher. Okay. So type the PAN number. Suppose the party has not provided PAN number, it will calculate double. Suppose it is 2%, then it will calculate 4%. Suppose it is 10%, it will calculate 20%. Suppose they have not provided PAN details. Okay, type the PAN number. Accept. So next party, SCL info system. Under sundry data, creditors, is TDS deductible? Yes. Company resident, deduct TDS in same voucher? Yes. Type PAN number. So next party, Birlasoft Limited. Birlasoft Limited. Under sundry creditors, is TDS deductible? Yes. Deducted type company resident? Yes. So type the PAN number. Last one, Canara Traders. Canara Traders. Sundry creditor, is TDS deductible? Yes. Deducted type company resident? Yes. See here, this party has not provided PAN detail, so that's why I leave the blank. So for this party, TDS tax will calculate double. I mean 20%. Accept. Okay. Next, creation of tax ledger. TDS tax on rent of plant and machinery. TDS tax on rent of plant and machinery. Under duties and taxes, type of duty / tax, select TDS. Nature of payment, select rent of plant and machinery. Accept. So next one, TDS tax on rent of building or furniture or land. TDS tax on rent of building or furniture or land. Under duties and taxes, type of duty / tax, select TDS. TDS nature of payment, select rent of building or furniture or land. Accept. Okay, create one bank ledger. State Bank of India. Under bank account, IFSC code, sorry, not IFSC code, this is account number. So IFSC code SBIN 6483. So type opening balance, for example 5 lakh. So this is for avoiding negative balance. Okay, so now come to the accounting vouchers. Select vouchers, press F7. So all the transaction enter in journal voucher because these are all adjustment entries. So go to the transaction. Paid rent on plant and machinery rupees 5 lakh to Mindlands India Private Limited, invoice number 64851. So invoice number 64851, debit to rent on plant and machinery. Rent on plant and machinery 5 lakh. So credit to party Mindlands India Private Limited. So 4,90,000 after deducting 2% TDS tax. 5 lakh into 2 divided by 100, that means 10,000. 5 lakh minus 10,000, remaining 4,90,000 you need to pay. New reference. Select TDS tax on rent of plant and machinery. Okay friends, you got it, how to calculate TDS tax. Okay, so come to the next transaction. Paid rent on building rupees 4,50,000 to HCL Info System, invoice number 64871. 64871. Rent on building 4,50,000, HCL Info System. See here, 10%. 4,50,000 into 10 divided by 100, that is 45,000. So 4,50,000 minus 45,000, remaining balance is 4,05,000. 45,000 is TDS tax. So TDS on rent of building or furniture or land, 45,000. Okay. So next question. Paid rent on furniture rupees 6 lakh to Birla Soft Limited, invoice number 45321. 45321. Rent of furniture. Rent on furniture 6 lakh. Birla Soft. So 6 lakh into 10 divided by 100, that is 60,000. 6 lakh minus 60,000, that is 5,40,000. You need to pay to Birla Soft. TDS tax 60,000. New reference. Select TDS on rent of building or furniture or land. So last one. Paid rent on land rupees 7,50,000 to Canara Traders, invoice number 95124. 95124. Rent on land rent on land account enter 7,50,000. 7,50,000. Canara Traders. See here, 6 lakh. Canara Traders, they have not provided PAN details. That's why it's calculated 20%. So 7,50,000 into 20 divided by 100, that is 1,50,000. After deducting TDS tax 1,50,000, remaining balance is 6 lakh to Canara traders. New reference, TDS on rent of building or furniture or land. Okay friends, so now you come to the TDS tax payment to the IT department. Press F5 payment. Select TDS tax on plant and machinery. Against reference, this is only one payment is there, 10,000. State Bank of India bank. So 10,000. Type the check number. Okay, so next TDS tax on rent of building or furniture or land. Against reference, select one by one or select individual. So here I will select one by one, all at a time. Against reference. One more is there, against reference. End of list. State Bank of India. So type the check number. Okay. So how to get the Challan? Just page up that payment voucher. Control P. Preview. Alt Z for zoom. So this is the TDS Challan. See here. Tear here. So they will cut here and one counter file give to us and another counter file keep them. Okay, so like that you have to get the printout in Tally Prime. So and one more. Control P, click on preview, Alt Z. Okay, so like this you will get a printout. Friends, I hope you got it. Okay, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Please share it, like it. Thank you for watching my video.